Hey everyone, how's it going? And in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get unlimited Microsoft reward points. At first you want to head over to your browser and search for automated Bing reward search extension, and then this is the first one that comes up. You want to click on this, as you can see. So it's already added from my Chrome. So if I click on add to Chrome, click on add extension, as you can see it has been added. So if I click on extensions and if I click on it, I accept the risks. So number of searches and number of mobile searches you can select for this. Also, do you want any delay in seconds? And then let's say this and close tab, and then if once I click on search activities, it's automatically going to do this for me. And this is how to do it. As you can see, activity is paused. So if I just, let's say, put this to 0, then start. Now they have automatically started. Why do they say pause until mobile searches? So they'll do that at first and then they'll complete it, and this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.